You searched how to buy shares of Stellantis NV. Stellantis is a multinational automotive manufacturer listed on Euronext under the ticker STLAP.PA, and this guide shows the basic steps to locate that listing. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STLAP.PA to find the listing for Stellantis NV. Confirm you select the Euronext result that matches the company name and ticker. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent price action and basic company information. Ensure the company name and ticker match so you are on the correct asset page. Tap Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate to the purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After execution, your Stellantis position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For the exact steps shown in this video, find the link to eToro in the description below.